We came to Scotland to immerse ourselves in the wonderful Scottish scenery, and taking a hike in the Glenmore Forest is really one of the best ways to do that. You have lush greenery everywhere, the trees, the moss, the flowers. I love the Scottish broom, the pops of yellow everywhere. And if you have tennis shoes, that's really all you need because the trails are so well maintained. Bring your shoes, bring some rain gear because you never know, it is Scotland after all. Our GPS actually took us to the wrong place. It told us that the Glenmore Forest Park Visitor Center was here at Bagdagush. Thankfully, a nice lady told us we were in the wrong spot. Happens all the time, and she's not quite sure how to fix it on the GPS system, but told us to go back onto the main road, take a left, and go here to this area. That's actually Glenmore Forest Park Visitor Center. But we parked in Altmore because we're going to take the purple trail and the blue trail all the way up to the Green Lochan. Okay, here we go. We made it to the Green Lochan, and it is a sight to behold. It's so beautiful. The sun was out just a few minutes ago, and shining down on the water, it really did make the water look as if it were crystal green. Definitely worth the 2.5 miles it takes to hike up here. It's a pretty easy walk. I was really surprised at how well maintained the trails are. So if you're ever up in the Highlands, highly recommend coming up to Glenmore Forest and hiking up to the Green Lochan. You won't regret it.